Alright, hi. So today I just wanted to work on this little CodeWars challenge, which is sum of digits, digital root. Digital root is the recursive sum of all the digits in a number. Given n, take the sum of the digits of n. If that value has more than one digit, continue reducing in this way until a single digit number is produced. The input will be a non-negative integer. So we got like some examples. We take 16 and we get 7. We get 942, we get 942, 15. Then we reduce it again to 6. I see. It's kind of a little tricky. It's kind of doable. We'll do it with like an enum reduce. So off rip, let's go and look at like some other code, like def test view. Let's take number 16 enum.map it. See what happens. Number points to end. It's ix-s mix. And then let's do CodeWars test. Oh, CodeWars is not available. Oh, wrong CodeWars. Enum cannot work on our 16 digit, so kind of figured that might happen. So kind of have to make our digit an enum. Let's look up list. It's kind of what we want to do. I'll turn something into a list. We're gonna do integer to list. Let's integer to list. Given an integer, produce a list of its digits. Integer digits. Let's try that. So let's pipe this into integer.digits. And compile. Test. Oh, we get a 1 and a 6. We're very close to being able to solve this one now. We could do like not reduce, and then take. Let's see, how do we want to reduce? Take an accumulator 0. Our function is going to be digit, and then we'll do digit plus. Let's say it's digits accumulator, digit plus accumulator end. So let's see what happens when we do that. Got a 7. Okay. So now we kind of have some loopy business going on here, because when we do 942, things are going to be just a little bit different. So let's see. I'm going to do. Oh, let's just try 942. Compile, test, get a 15. And so then we need some way to evaluate whether or not we're going to reduce it again. So let's take our test and make a function def reduce. And essentially we're just going to be taking in this reduce. So we'll take in some digits and we'll reduce our digits like that. So 942 digits goes into our reduce, but then we want something that essentially says, let's see, it's our reduction is equal to reduce, and then if our thing is not single digit, then we'd want to probably reduce again. So we'd probably say if reduction gosh, this is probably the worst way to write this. So I'll probably say reduction length, and we'll do our reduction count. Actually, we need to do reduction integer.digits enum.count, and then if reduction length is greater than 1, right? Let me look at this. Yeah, everything has come back to a single digit. So, oops. If it is greater than 1, then we'd want to do so if it's greater than 1, then we'd probably want it to do test with our number again. And then else we want to give back the reduction. Let's recompile, and let's do CodeWars test with 942. I might have broke it. Yeah, I might have made something that's irreducible, so let's see what happened. Let's go and just IO inspect our reductions. And then let's try that again. Got 15. Forever. What's this? Let's do got a 2. What? Hold on. That's not what I was expecting. Let's try it like that. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong now. So I want to do like that. That is probably the only thing that I was doing wrong. So we'll have to do like this. Okay, we compile. Ah, we got 6. Ah, and 6 is right. Okay. So now let's try, what are these other tests? I got this big ass number. Let's try that. So CodeWars with this big ass. We got 6. What are we supposed to get? We're supposed to get 6. Very nice. Let's copy this. Let's try it again. We got a 2. We got 2. Hell yeah. So I think our code is basically ready. So we'll take this and we'll paste this in here. And now this is our N. And then we need our little reduce function, which is basically just a wrapper around reduce. Okay, there we go. Now let's give it a test. Error. Undefined function test. Oh, that should be digital root. Test again. There we go. And let's attempt the entire test framework. Hooray, we passed. Passed 2 tests. I don't think this person wrote is necessarily the greatest of tests. Or maybe they did. Very fun, very cool stuff. Alright, let's submit this. Hooray! See, a bunch of other people did some solutions. Let's see, very short. This is very functional too. Yeah, I did like some reduce, so they did just enum sum, which is kind of essentially what I did. So it's every time if they took, you give it a number, and then it'll do digits on those numbers, only if it's less than 10. Enum sum, very simple. This one's very simple too. This one's looking more like mine. Oh, here's mine. Take our reduction. Mine's probably very complicated. I like this one. This one and this one, very clever. Alright, well, should I look at another? It's really the question. Prime in numbers. Given a positive number n1, find the prime factor decomposition of n. The result will be a string. Ugh. Don't want to do that. I think I'm just gonna end this little stream here. Catch you later.